This is an anti-frizz hair mask, and wow, wow, wow. This is awesome stuff. So this is by Hadibell. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. So I basically just washed my hair today with, well, I've been using it. You can tell that I've been using it for a while. It smells so good. Like, you can tell. I like to try a product before I talk about it, like legitimately. So basically I used my regular shampoo today, and then I use this about twice a week right now. Because it's really super hydrating. But you'll notice as soon as I use this, so I just use it, I put it on my hair, and then I let it sit in my hair while I'm shaving and doing all the other stuff, washing and blah, blah. And then at the very end of the shower, I rinse it out. And you can see that how easy it is to get my brush through my hair. I'm not using any extra detanglers. I don't have any product on my hair other than now I have hairspray, but I didn't put any product on my hair. I just took it out of the towel and brushed it immediately, and immediately my brush goes right through it, and my hair is pretty tingly. So pretty cool. And the frizz is completely gone. So no frizz in my hair, and I normally have pretty frizzy, kind of tangly hair. So really great stuff from Hadibell. Again, anti-frizz hair mask with keratin, and it is just a fantastic product. So love to test the hair stuff. So thank you so much for sending this again.